Orientation to MyCCOF. Hello and welcome to our MyCCOF guidance videos. This video will help you with a basic orientation of the website. First, log into your MyCCOF account by going to www.myccof.org. If you're not sure what your username or password is, email inbox@ccof.org for assistance. You can also call us at 831-423-2263 for help. After you enter your username and password, you may be taken to a list with your operation or operations name, as well as your name. Click on the name of the operation you want to go to. From there, you'll be taken to the MyCCOF dashboard. This page has an overview of information related to your certification. At the top of the page, there is a main menu. Click on this to open a drop-down menu with several options. Choose Another Account if you are a contact for multiple CCOF operations. This will let you toggle between those accounts. You can also choose a default account to always open to first. My Data. This will show you your personal information, such as your email address and phone number on file. Since all information regarding certification is linked to your operation, not you, there won't be much information here. CCOF Certificate Portal. This feature lets you track any CCOF certified operation, so you can see their current certification status and download their current certificates. Please note, this does not update your current supplier list. To update your supplier list, email inbox@ccof.org with your changes. Make sure to include your operations name and client ID. Back on your dashboard, there is a CCOF Forms button. Click on that to go to CCOF's resource library, where you can download OSP forms and other forms and documents. To the right of the Forms button, you'll see your username. You can click on it to choose Profile or log out from a drop-down menu. Profile will take you to a page where you can update your password and language settings. Log out will log you out of the site. Under the navigation bar, there are several buttons. Materials Search. This takes you to the CCOF Material Search database. You can use this to find materials that have already been reviewed by CCOF and request that they be added to your materials list. Renew Now. This takes you to the renewal page where you can renew your certification for the coming year. Pay Now. This takes you to the payment page where you can pay your invoices. Below these buttons is the main part of the dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is a blue bar with text. This is helpful information for using that specific tab, and the information changes for each tab. Refer to this for instructions and additional links. On the left, in the Welcome to MyCCOF and CCOF News and More sections, are links to useful information on our main website. These same links are provided to everyone. The rest of the page is tailored to your operation. On the right is your account status. This will list any payment balance you have on your account. Renewal. This will show where you are in the renewal cycle for the year. If your renewal is all green, you're renewed for the new year. If any of the icons are red, please go to the Renew Now button at the top of the page to complete your renewal contract and payment for the year. It may take several business days for payment and renewal contracts to be reflected in MyCCOF. My Action Items. This pie chart shows action items CCOF has requested from you. To respond to action items, click on the pie chart. Service Rep. This is your certification service specialist. They are the main point of contact if you have a question or concern about your certification. Their contact information is listed here. Certificates. These are your current certificates. Click the button under Preview to download a copy. Inspections. This box shows information about your upcoming and previous inspections. You'll be able to see the inspector's name and contact information and track the status of the inspection. Data access. This box shows the contact list for your operation. After the dashboard, the next tab is the Action Item Tracker. You can use this to view and respond to action items CCOF has requested from you. You can also see any unreviewed responses or OSP updates you have submitted to CCOF. For more information on Action Item Tracker, watch our Action Item Tracker video. The next tab is the Materials tab. Here, you can review your materials list, go to our materials search to request new materials for your list, and remove materials from your list. For more information on the Materials tab, watch our Materials video. Next, we have the Certificates tab. Just like on the dashboard, these are your current certificates. You can download them by clicking the button in the Download column. After that is the Files tab. Here you'll find any files that have been attached to your account, usually via email. This tab does not include your OSP files. Use the filter boxes at the top of each column to search. Click the icon in the Download column to download a file, or check multiple boxes, and then click the Download Selected Files button on the top right to download a zip folder with multiple documents. The next tab is the OSP tab. This contains your most up-to-date organic system plan on file with CCOF. Click the icon in the Download column to download each file, or check multiple boxes, and then click the Download Selected Files button on the top right to download a zip folder with multiple documents. After that is the Inspections tab. This tab gives you detailed information on your current and past inspections. You can filter the date range using the Filter button at the top. Under that, you can view inspections. For each inspection, see Inspector Contact Information by clicking the Inspector Contact Data button, and choose Open Audit Order to see the assigned sites and download documents linked to that inspection. Next is the Invoices tab. Click the Pay Now button at the top to go to the CCOF payment page. The Account Status box will show you a basic account standing and any balance you may have. Below that will be a detailed list of any invoices. To download a copy of an invoice, check the box next to the invoice and then click Invoice Copy at the top of the page. Next is the Public Profile tab. This shows your sales methods, social media, and apprentice programs as they appear on the CCOF online directory. You can update the information that is in this tab. Make sure to save after you make any changes. Up next is the Sites tab. This is a list of your operations locations, facilities, and suppliers. Inactive locations will be grayed out, and there will be a date of exit. To make updates to this page, email your changes to inbox@ccof.org. Be sure to include your operation name and client ID. After that is the Company Info tab. Here, you'll find the contact information for your operation. If anything on this page needs to be updated, email inbox@ccof.org. Be sure to include your operation name and client ID. Next, we have the Contacts tab. This is the list of approved contacts for your operation. Anyone on this list can request updates to your operation and may have access to MyCCOF if they have an email address on file. To make updates to your contact list, email inbox@ccof.org. The final tab is the Certification tab. This tab has in-depth information about your certification. Your certificates have this information for your certified parcels, products, and livestock. If you have any parcels, products, or livestock that have been submitted to CCOF but have not been certified yet, they will show up on this tab, and the status will show as New Applicant or Pending. Thank you for using MyCCOF. If you have questions about navigating MyCCOF, please reach out to us at myccof@ccof.org.